Hello, welcome to DTS. I'd like to share a lot of my new Pixel 3a. Good thing is it doesn't need any knife to open it. Very good. Alright. Was this something like this? Wow, this size is almost perfect size. I didn't like the big size of iPhone OnePlus 7 Pro. This size almost perfect size. I like and very light. Wow, this is exactly I was hoping for. Size comparison. And in the box, let me open it first. Wow, so black. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. It doesn't feel like a very cheap phone. Feel like a very premium phone feeling. Very good job. Okay. And in the box, no headphone jack, power brick, USB-C cable. Oh, but the good thing is this USB-C front and end. USB-C, very nice. And this is a USB-A to USB-C adapter, very good. In this box, there's a SIM card pin, user guide, active edge is working, pixel imprint, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Very good. Oh, Team Pixel. I like this. I like sticker. This is another sticker. My collection. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna share my review of my new Pixel 3a following days. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.